Hey guys, this is Dhruv and you're watching my YouTube channel, Expert Computer Dhruv Chaudhary YouTube channel. If not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So in this video, we are talking about how to move Windows 11 start menu to left side. So let's start this video without time wasting. You might not like the new start menu position for some reason, especially if you are used to left alignment. It's good move from Microsoft, but you have got your reason to hate. Thankfully, you can restore the start menu to its original position. So here's how you can do it. So let's start. So first of all, you need to right click here and then click on Taskbar settings and scroll down. Click on Taskbar behavior and then click on drop down arrow and then click on left. Once you have clicked on left, the start menu automatically move to the left side. Look at this. So this is like an Windows 10 start menu. I hope you like my video. We will meet in the next video. So please subscribe my channel and also like this video. Goodbye.